I'm making a cooking video, and I'm gonna try not to burn my house down. Already started. Cheese and spice powder. I get the bowl. Now we're just waiting. Sitting here and waiting. I'm gonna peel this hard-boiled egg now. I just smashed that bottom. I'm gonna peel it still. Just poured out all of the juice. We got the noodles here. I'm gonna pour them in. They're all in there. That's legit something to eat it with. Chopsticks. Alright, now we're gonna put some mozzarella cheese. Even though there's already cheese. Let's put this cheese in first. And let's pour it all in. We're mixing it. That's the cheese. Alright, now let's put this cheese in. A bunch of cheese. I think that's enough cheese. Now let's put the sauce. Right. Let me open it real quick. Now we're pouring the sauce in. I think that's enough. Not really that good with spice. Dang it. I didn't even do the egg. Now we have to mix it. Mix it through, mix it. Mix, 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 just mix it, mix it, mix it, mix, mix it. I'm supposed to put the other cheese. Nice. I'm gonna mix it. Nom 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 nom.